Today I'm gonna show you pencil shading and drawing. My name is Dairo Vargas. I'm gonna share with you all my techniques and guide you through the entire process step by step. Keep watching. We are gonna create a square. So in this square we can just place our fruit and they will be easier. We're gonna make it slightly bigger for you to see there. We're gonna just come in these corners this way, so this would make it easier to paint it. Down here, remember that almost all the apples has a bit of a shape there, and then we can just complete these lines and put it together. At the top also some of the apples just come this way. Down there it's gonna be this way, and also down here maybe we can do our stem here coming this way. We can put the stem. These are, remember that they are not completely straight, so we can just make it that way, and we can even put here place a leaf coming. So for now let's make it just very simple that way. So this basically is going to be our drawing. From this side we are going to be having our light. Our sort of light is coming this way and this way, just to keep it in mind. In that case my light is going to be coming these areas, this area, also this part in here is going to be more light. Down there, here is going to be light. It's going to be maybe a bit darker down here, like there, and a bit more light in these also areas. It's going to be almost the whole sort of light. It's going to be mid-tone. This is going to be the shadow down here, and this here we are going to make our core shadow down there, our projected shadow. Okay, let's start in applying the pencil shade in it. So now that we know, we can apply this. It's gonna be darker than here. And now with this in mind, so then I can start pencil shading then the rest very soft. So this, remember, this is gonna be my darkest sort of area. And there. My light is coming down here, so this part I'm gonna make it slightly darker, more light there. Here it's gonna be light coming through, the same, more light there. It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be some light in this part, it's very closed. Here I can add very soft light here, a bit of darkest in this part, and still keeping a bit of light there, this in this part. Just gonna slowly, softly, you can start just pencil shading some part here. I can just start bringing this side, also pencil shading here. Down there, the shadow, this is gonna be darker. We can also create a sort of a, almost like it's a table there, just to make it look like it's placed on top of. So I'm gonna start making this here. I'm gonna almost it's gonna come this way. I'm just gonna make it like almost is folding in some part, because it's not straight. So this, the shadow, this, it can be just coming this way. Also I can create a bit of a shadow of the projection of this stem. I'm gonna start just drawing. I can make some lines here because it has a bit of a texture, so I can just add it there. Same here. You are like that. And I can keep on applying to this because this is my shadow, so I can keep on adding here color to this area. Coming here. Also, I'm gonna add a bit more dark in this side because the most important is to create the effect of 3D. So if I put it slightly darker, especially in this area, a tiny bit higher comes there, so it would help to create the effect. Remember that some part of the apple are there are some ins and outs, so I can leave some areas slightly darker, and that will help also with the effect. Down here I can also darken a bit just to create the illusion that is in. Same here, I can do the same in this part here. Intensifying a bit of the light, the darkest part there. I'm going to create a bit of lines here also that will help to create the effect that you can use some of these lines to direct the intention of the light. You see what I'm doing? Just following the shape of the apple, and that just help the eye to follow. These lines are important because this really helps the eye to follow. Especially down here, could be quite interesting to do. These lines really are important because it's completely help. You can see here. We can come back to add, we can erase, let's erase actually some of these lines that I did before, so we can start seeing more of fruit. Also we can highlight these, I create a tiny bit of light there, so that helps a bit. Here also can create a bit of some of these areas and make it slightly darker. Some like the light is really touching some of this part. Here I'm gonna make like it's almost falling a bit here. This is gonna be a bit darker there because the light is now almost reaching. And the leaf is not completely, it has some shape, some form there, and that also helps. get the effect. We can also create a bit of a lines there to help us. So we keep on erasing these bits. And if I want, I can also create a bit of a compact and rescue some of these lights, some of these parts. Then that way I can bring some of their lights in some areas. So these we can create more of these lines that will help us to make our fruit real. We can even intensify, it depends on how much dark we want to have in here, but I think this is fine in the way that we have it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button if you haven't subscribed to my channel and share it with your friends.